the things on my board was about freedom, was about attracting some help in my nonprofit so that I can get more rest. I can take some vacations. I can just have a more balanced life than what I have been living. It's been work, 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 and not a lot of joy, not a lot of fun, not a lot of relaxation, and little help. And my board, if I could turn my computer around, you would see that my board is directly in front of me. So I see it dead on. And one of the cool things that's happened is since I've done this board, I've had more people over the last 2 weeks reach out to me to offer help. People that I did not know, that I've never met before. They're not even like Facebook followers, who've just popped up out of nowhere offering to give me some help specifically in the areas that I needed help in. So, I mean, it's just the power of the board. It's so cool.